It will work. Greetings all, Shardvixen here. I am trying to get a different filming thing going because it hurts my back to stand up and craft. So I'm trying to do a sit down and craft, but I don't have a way of looking to see how I'm doing in my videoing. So we're just gonna have to go by that. Let's see. All right, how's that look?
Looks pretty good.
Can you see my hands?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, son. Anyway, so what we're doing is, remember, I made my bag. Here it is. Turned out really well. There's going to be a lot of shadows, I think, though, from here. Maybe if I turn it that way. Oh, seems like I probably need to get my light behind me somehow. That's not going to be possible, so it is what it is, I guess. I don't like that, cut all that shadows. Maybe I need another. I'm probably going to need that light to be over here, but anyway. So it's cloudy outside. So the next part was to put a box in it. Now, I did make a template for making a box. It would work, but like I told you, I'm doing a modification on these, so that would be my box. It would actually work, but I'm going to make a modification. The modification I'm going to do is I'm going to use my box. So this is the template for my box. I'm going to use a different colored. It will fit in here. I checked it. And it gives me a little bigger of a box to play with. See? So at the end of the step videos, I'm going to decorate my bag. I went ahead and I'm going to use these, which come off the paper bags. We're going to color these up, trim them up a little bit like this. I'm going to just show you real quick so y'all know that I'm doing. Besides making messes, of course. You don't need that part. And then I'll put these in here like this. Just like that. And we'll do thing, and that'll be the thing. And then I'm going to put pretty lace around this part of it. And I'm probably going to put some other things that I do. Some of my tape, maybe, that I made. So that'll be next time we'll do that. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to make these really cool boxes that I was taught how to do. And again, like that. I wonder, I'm going to try something real quick. Oh no, that's way too dark, so we do need the light. I just need to figure out where to put the light so it's not, I mean, for me it's good light, but that's not really good. It's just going to be what it is. Alright, so what you want is a square piece of paper. And you make sure it's square by going from corner to corner. And it doesn't have to be perfect ever. It's easier to do it. And then you're gonna make sure you have some nice, you want to make sure you have some nice creases because you're gonna follow the crease. So you need a square paper to start with. Okay. And you're gonna do this side. I've made these before for my channel. This particular one right here is for a Mario birthday party. See the question mark on it? So I'm going to go this way. Okay, so you're going to have an X. And the X, you take one corner and you go to the middle. And then you're going to crease that one. And then you're going to go this way. The plus of this is you could use white paper, like this. You could use a plain white paper, and then you can decorate it however you want. And if you're wondering why the question mark, this is for Mario Maker. Not Mario Maker, but Mario. My son, for his 11th birthday, we had a Mario themed birthday party that I made everything for. Okay. Dogadoo needs to go out, son, when you can. Okay, so now you have that. That's what it looks like. So it's a big square with 4 squares and triangles. Alright, so the next one you do is you're going to go all the way up to that next level. to the across first bottom flap here. Okay, then you're going to do the same thing on this side. And then you're going to do it this way. Keep track of where you go. I always go and pick one and then just keep going in the same circle around. And the last one. And even if you think you did the last one, I always do it again. I didn't though. Alright, so now this is what you got. You got this really cool little pattern. What you want to look for are the two little triangles on each side. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut those triangles out. Now, I have done these boxes for over 10 years. You can do them. That's a weird sound. Is that you?
No. Is that coming from outside?
No, it is. He's doing his rock grinder, I think, from outside. Okay. I was like, if that's your laptop sound, we're in trouble. Okay, so anyway.
It's only maybe about to explode. That's fine.
It's maybe about to explode. Sorry for that high-pitched sound. I think he's doing his rock turner outside. Oh, sounds horrible. Anyway, so that's how you do it. But I've done this in wallpaper and made huge boxes. We did made huge Christmas decoration boxes for a play. So once you have the pattern down, as long as you start with a perfect square, doesn't matter what size the square. I've made them in foam, like this foam, like the crafting foam. I've made them in that. Here's a smaller version of it with a 8x11, and then you just fold it to get the thing. You don't have to be a perfect folder. It'll still work. You can usually trim it if your folds are too bad. I don't know the name of the box because it was taught to me in a meeting. I was in a meeting with a guy, and he was making them out of candy wrappers. And I said, hey, show me how to do that. And he showed me how to do it. I have seen other variations of it, though. I've got a couple that I will make for boxes for other projects we might do down the way, just to do them. I'm going to do some decoupage boxes because I've done those too in the past. So after you cut out 2 on each side, you know you did it right because it'll look like this, like a modified weird cross. Which to me looks like it'd be a really cool cross, like a Templar cross style. So, alright. Taking one side, doesn't matter which side, but I usually the one I end with. You're going to cut these 2 boxes just to the first line. Then you're going to flip it completely. And you're going to take the other 2 boxes. Okay. Then, starting from there, you're going to take the first one and you're going to take it just to that first level right there, and you're going to fold it. And you're going to go to the next one and do that. Sometimes it won't want to fold it. Like thinks it's supposed to fold someplace else. Like that one wants to fold different. Make it fold. Sometimes if your cuts aren't straight too, that's the thing. Then just pick a side, whichever side you like. You can start with cut a triangle out of 1. Move either left or right, it's your choice. And on that one, you're not cutting a triangle. You're going to cut to a halfway to the box, flip it, and halfway to the box. Go to the next one. Now this one is across from that one, so it also is going to go halfway, and then this one's going to be the other little triangle. So it's going to be, they're across from each other. You don't have to cut in a triangle. You can just do a slit if you want, whichever way, whatever you want to do, it's going to work. Okay, now you put your box together. I found the easiest way to do that is to put these two together like this. Oh, first you have to fold it, sorry. Fold it into an arrow. Fold your little arrow piece into more of an arrow. Pull it together. If it doesn't fit because your little thing is a little small, it's okay. You want it smaller than bigger. There's a reason for that. You can pull it up, tilt it back, pull it out, and lay it flat. So it looks like that. Makes another square on top of square. Now you got your two boxes, two things there. You're going to pull these up, fold this. I always forget to fold it, sorry. Until I get there. Fold that, pull this. If it's too big again, fold it in half, pull it through. Gotta be careful though, because sometimes they start to break. Pull it through, pull it out. Now, there you go. That's your box. This is the box that's going into that bag. And to make sure it fits, which I'm sure it will, but just to make sure, we're gonna stick it in there. And there it goes. Box in a bag. Box in a bag. And that's it for this one. Again, this all comes from Al John channel. Amy is the person who does it. And I'm using recycling, for the most part, recycling goods. You could make this out of a grocery bag, paper bag. You can make it out of textured paper, like I made. This is a textured paper I made. You can make it out of that. You could literally make it out of a stiff plastic if you have it. You don't want it a stiff, but something that has a little bit of a ply to it. You can make it out of that. I have made them out of fabric. You do the same pattern. If you're going to make them out of fabric, though, you want to make a paper pattern first, and then lay that down onto your stiffer fabric. I have made them out of felt as well. Those are nice. Like I said, the foam is nice too. So it's very useful. Makes it nice. Then you can decorate them however you want. When I made them with kids, when you open them up, I have them they put little sayings on the inside of the box. Like, you are a wonderful person, Happy Mother's Day, Merry Christmas, whatever you want. All right, so then we have another part to this. We're making a book that's going to fit in that box. So that'll be our next part for this particular challenge, and I will catch you all on the flip side. I'm out of here. Peace.